and Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County, Scotland County, Harnett County, Cumberland County, Lee County, southwestern Wake County, Polk County, southeastern Chatham County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sanford to near Little Rock, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Sanford, Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rayford, Lillington, Fort Liberty, Fuquay-Varina, Aberdeen, and Angier. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham,